Hello again, people. I know I may not have been too entirely clear about how to tie the surgeon's loop or the magic hitch, so I'm going to show you real quick just using some rope and this false carabiner type of thing. To tie the surgeon's loop, you just take your fishing line, put a bite in it, put an overhand knot into it, and then just come around one more time and give it an extra wrap. Now the two ways to tie the magic hitch are you can run that through the swivel and take the long end and just like I said come through this loop and just start pulling it and pull it and pull it and pull it and pull that knot through that loop too. Just keep pulling and there it is. You can see the magic hitch right there. Now the other way to tie it, and you may have to use this, is let's just take all that out of there real quick. Come on. Alright. Just like this. Whatever you're going through, come up this way. Then come down this way behind it. Now come up in front. Now through. And then just come right down through the middle. There it is. Magic hitch. Now just take the whole object and put a surgeon's loop in it. Just pass the entire object into an overhand knot and bring it through the middle and then put an extra twist in it. Come on, baby. And just pull that. All the way tight. Come on. And now you got your surgeon's loop in there and your magic hitch.